Let's take one example on simplification of Boolean expressions. Simplify S is equal to A XOR B XOR C and realize using basic gates. Here the given expression is S is equal to A XOR B XOR C. We are supposed to simplify this and we have to realize using basic. Now let some other variable say Z is equal to A XOR B. We know that the expression of A XOR B is A bar B plus A B bar. We'll call it as equation number 2. Now I will rewrite equation number 1 as S is equal to, so A XOR B is nothing but Z, that is Z XOR with C. So this can be represented as Z bar C plus Z C bar. Or now I can represent S as, we know that Z is nothing but A XOR B, that is A bar B plus AB bar. So Z is A bar B plus AB bar. Here we have a complement, that is, this is nothing but the entire complement into C plus Z. Z is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar multiplied with C bar. Now simplifying this further, so by applying De Morgan's theorem, that is apply De Morgan's law, therefore I can write S is equal to A bar B bar dot AB bar bar into C plus, here I can simplify this as A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar. I have opened the bracket here. Further I can simplify this as, again by applying De Morgan's theorem separately to these two expressions, I can represent it as A bar bar plus B bar, and here we have dot, that is, then again applying De Morgan's theorem for this expression, I can represent it as A bar plus B bar bar, and here we have C plus we have A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar. Further I can simplify this as S is equal to A bar bar is nothing but A plus B bar. Here I can write it as A bar plus B C plus we have A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar. Further I can simplify this as S is equal to A bar C plus A B C plus B bar A bar C plus B bar B C plus I will write remaining 2. So now we'll realize this expression using basic gates. So here there are 4 terms, so we need 4 AND gates. Say this is first AND gate. Here we should get A, B, C. So this is A input. Another input is B. We have another input, that is C. Now consider the second term, that is A bar B bar C. We'll take one more AND gate. We should get A bar B bar C. So this is A bar. This is A bar B bar and it is C bar. We have B bar here and here we have C input. Next term is A bar B C bar. A bar B C bar. This is A bar. This is B, and this is C bar. Next term is A B bar C bar. We'll use one more AND gate. The output should be A B bar C bar. So this is A. We have B bar here, and this is C bar. Now we supposed to add these four terms using OR gate. Now I will use 4 input OR gate. The output of this is yes. So connect all these terms to this OR gate. So this is realization for the given expression. Thank you for watching.